my suggestions. Lately I've been waiting on a few, and I'm counting on my blessings.
Hello, I'm Gemma Simone and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're returning, welcome back. Today we're starting a travel vlog. We're gonna be heading to Puerto Rico for the Afro Nation Music Festival. So yeah, we're gonna be heading to the airport in a little bit. I'm currently eating some red curry. So yeah, once I finish up eating, we'll head out.
After landing, please make sure your seatbelt is fastened, seat back is upright, tray table is covered.
The Airbnb is looking like.
Oh, this is a limit. So one, two.
Bathroom. Other bedroom.
Sorry, this room's free. You can have it if you want. I'm gonna grab this.
So
This is this one, and then have like a little walk-in shop.
Oh, whoa. Cool. This is cute. So this is the room I'm gonna be in. Wildcats. Wildcats. We're walking to go get food right now, guys. We all took a nap. And now we're getting food. That's tired. Oh shit. What? Oh. What is there? Oh. Are they nice though? Alright, y'all, it's been a crazy day. We just got back and got food. This is what the food is looking like. I think she got like salmon and like rice and stuff. Rice and beans. I'm about to open mine. My brother just got here. He missed his second flight and ended up coming later, so he just got here. So I feel a lot better now. So yeah, we all took naps and we went to get food. I got a burrito. I don't know which one's which though. Oh shit. So I got a burrito for me and one for my brother, but I got one with sour cream and one not with sour cream. Jeez.
Special wild card, you can only pull it if someone pulls a special card before or a special drink before yours, and then you get a chance to tell them.
Yeah. So you know you stay.
I knew it was gonna land.
We actually got this pretty tall.
I changed my mind. This one's better than this.
Yeah, this one's the classic.
Yeah,
that one's way better. Like, it seems like it's made more naturally too. Like I like how it's colored
Focused.
with
There's a ton of
I thought you were gonna knock it down.
I was just saying fall on my head.
Oh, it's a reverse though, so I don't gotta know.
Yeah, I have to try between these two. Or this one and this one. I tried both of these green ones. They're both very much
Honestly, I think the top one is a bit more safer.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be the safer one. I think I just need to do it fast. I've already touched two.
Oh.
I found it with Jenga, if you do it fast, like it doesn't disrupt the
flow.
It's like pulling a tablecloth.
I like watching adults do it to like the giant towers. That's funny as hell. Come on, girl.
I'm so scared. This is surgery, y'all.
Back up.
Good wiggle it.
I swear that would make it fall. Like it's such a
It's
trap.
like no movement.
Oh! Not actually pulling it off.
It's a wrap. Whoever's next is over.
That shit was fire. All right.
It's a new day. We're about to go to the festival. It is Thursday. Yesterday we didn't do too much. We just got kind of rested up after our long travel. But today we are gonna go to the festival. It's later in the day. We haven't been doing much today either, just hanging out. Some people had to work. But yeah, we're ready for the festival. Hold on, let me give you guys a better view. Okay, so here's what day one's outfit looks like. Pretty tame. And then I'm just gonna try and take it up a notch each day. But yeah, pretty chill for today. Just some black flowy pants. And this blue swimsuit top. And my fanny pack. We're walking to this festival, y'all. And it's raining on us. Oh my god. Oh, they like this song! This is Burna Boy song.
Let's go! Here we go! Sing it out, one time. Alright, now. Sing it out. Make some noise for the biggest boss, Rick Ross.
Came back to the Airbnb. It was pouring out there. It was raining so hard. But we saw Rick Ross. A couple of the other performers, I guess, couldn't make it last minute. So Rick Ross came and we watched him. And then we came back. But it was pouring outside. The venue had a lot of grass, so it got muddy and stuff. And by the time we got there, a lot of people were running away from the concert. It was kind of crazy, but it was cool. I'm sure tomorrow we'll be able to catch more performances and it'll be better. But yeah. Hey y'all, so it is Friday. It's a new day. Yeah. Sorry, I haven't been a very good vlogger. I don't know how coherent I was yesterday, but we went to the festival for a little bit, like towards the end, and saw Rick Ross, because I think he replaced Burna Boy since Burna Boy couldn't make it to the festival. And it was pouring last night, so yeah, we weren't there very long. And then today I'm all dressed. I still need to do my makeup and brush my teeth, but we're gonna go walk around and go to Old San Juan and yeah, just go look at stuff because we've kind of been in the house the past 2 days mostly, except to get food and like go to the concert. So my makeup is done. I did something really light. I feel like I'm gonna give you guys a lot of information. But when we were at the concert, we gave them our, we showed them our vaccine cards and our tickets, and then they gave us these wristbands. I think you just have to keep them on the whole time because I don't know how to get mine off. So I started with it on, and hopefully it didn't ruin it because you also like pay for drinks and stuff with this. So yeah, it's kind of cool. But yeah, I'm all dressed. I don't know about this top. I'm hoping it's gonna stay up. I'm a little worried. It's very humid though. It's been a little bit rainy, but still warm, and like when it's not raining, it's super humid. All these shoes are not comfortable. They hurt. They hurt a little bit. They are like, they're supposed to be active sandals, but I've worn them around the house and they already make my feet hurt, so probably not gonna walk around in them.
I'm down to squeeze. Yeah, it didn't say that I'd be having clippings in my purse. Exactly. In this area, we didn't get to explore as much because Ellie was very tired and adorable. But today we'll just be able to get our henna and then walk around, let it dry. Yeah.
Those kids.
Oh God. Good.
So I said those kids.
Look at this pier over here.
Yeah. Okay, this is a good spot to get out. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
How impromptu. Oh my God. Listen, I love that shower. Almost died. Listen, I have job opportunities. I'm ready. I'm excited. I'm gonna be so out of here. Love it, man. Keep it
This is fire.
Gotta be impressed.
Right now.
The statue. They have a lot of statues here. We walked the opposite way of our friends on accident, but we found this pretty statue. It's a oh wow, it's really cool. Really cool. From Old San Juan. Ooh, I'm falling out of my clothes. Bro, this tie-up top, I don't know how to tie it. I was still trying to wear a bra with it. I should have done no bra and just tied it in front. Anywho, we're about to get ready to go to the concert. But yeah, Old San Juan was fun. We got food and then we got some drinks as well. And we walked around and there was water and beautiful, colorful buildings and like statues and stuff. So it was really cool. And now we're about to get ready for the festival. I was gonna wear this all white number, but after going to the concert last night, it's a different vibe than I was expecting. Like the whole thing is grass, and I thought it was gonna be more on like a beach. So it kind of feels weird for like a bathing suit on just like grass. It basically looks like Coachella, like it's just a festival on grass. So I'm thinking about switching it up, and instead of wearing my all white like swimsuit with a cover up, I think I'm just gonna wear this green dress I have. It's just gonna be an all green day. So I put my green dress on. I don't know. It's not hitting like I want it to. It's okay. But I might change into my white outfit because that's what I planned on wearing, and I don't know. This just seems kind of meh. So here's the all white outfit I was thinking of wearing. This seems more like a boat outfit though, or like I'm really on a beach. And like I said, it was mostly grassy there when we went yesterday, so I might not wear this. Or maybe I can at least change the bottoms out. Yeah. Alright, so they said the crochet top was better. So I'm gonna wear this and my fanny pack. And I'm about to wear tennis shoes because that grass was nasty. Well, it was raining, so it was super muddy, and I feel like I cut my foot on like a cup or something that was out there. Thought I was bleeding to death, but I was being dramatic. My foot was totally fine, but it felt like I got cut or something. But when I got home, I was fine. But I just don't want to go through that again. And I don't want to be stepping in puddles with my sandals. So I'm gonna wear tennis shoes today. Don't judge me. I'm gonna wear this crochet top. And yeah, I'm gonna just go all in. I'm gonna just wear what I plan to wear, basically. Hope for the best.
Oh, some of brother do with it all time.
My name is Boosie. I keep you busy. What you say? I say, do I got some Christian people in the house? Are you okay? Come to my bedroom. Hey, are you okay? Are you okay?
It's like 12 in the afternoon, and we're supposed to be going to do some water stuff like kayaking and paddleboarding. I think the group is mostly doing paddleboarding, but I'm kind of scared I'm gonna fall off, so I might do kayaking because I've done that before. But yeah, we're supposed to leave and go be on the water before the concert today. This is what I'm wearing. Just super simple black outfit, and I have a swimsuit underneath just in case I do decide to do paddleboarding or whatever, but super basic.
Right here. Oh, look, his tail looks like it grew back a different color or something.
Oh my god, it's lifting its little chin. It's getting in defense position.
Is he running or is he stopping?
No, he's right there. He's just chilling. He like, y'all too close. He said we too close.
What did the guy say we could see? Man, it's so cool.
Yeah, I didn't see nothing.
Festival time. We got back from the water stuff, like kayaking and stuff, and we got back and got cleaned up, and we're all ready to go. This is the last day of the festival. This is day 3. I realized my outfits are really, like, they're not colorful. Like I have black, I think I had black on the first day, and then I had white yesterday. So yeah, maybe next time I'll bring more color, but this is what we're rocking with.
Y'all here? What part of Texas we got in the building? We got Houston in the building. Hey, Sean holding it down. What's up? We got Austin.
For the target. No matter how far, baby, put it on it. No matter how far, let's go. Hey, aim for the target. Hey, aim for the target.
Hey guys, it is the last day here in Puerto Rico, and we are getting ready to go horseback riding. Everybody's getting ready. I put a little foundation on. I'm just kind of letting it settle in before I put anything else on, but I'm not gonna do too much because yesterday, honestly, I was like a raccoon. Like, I put way too much concealer on, and like the lighting in here is pretty chill, so I couldn't tell until I got outside and we were at the concert, and I was like, oh no, what did I do? So I'm gonna just keep it pretty tame today, not do too much with the concealer. My friend said I looked fine, I didn't look like a raccoon, but like, you know when you look like a raccoon, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna chill with the concealer today. But I'll show you guys my outfit. So this is what we're wearing, horseback riding. I think it's cute. A little puff sleeve moment. Maybe a little hot though, but they said to wear like fitted pants and closed-toed shoes, so I'm gonna change it to my tennis shoes too. You guys want to see something gross? You guys probably already saw it. Do you guys see that big ol' bug bite? I say it's a bug bite. My brother thinks it's a blister, but I remember when we were sitting at the bar, I felt something, so I looked down, I saw something fly away from my foot, and then it started itching. So I'm pretty sure it's a bug bite. Do you guys want a close-up, or is that gross? I also have a small one on my thigh, but yeah, it's not popping. Oh, look at that, guys. Isn't that gross? I want to pop it. My brother made a good point, like I don't have anything to clean it with. It looks disgusting. I'm so sorry, I need to put lotion on my feet, but oh my god, I didn't even notice that little, yeah, pretty bad. But I'm gonna be wearing tennis shoes so nobody has to know. But yeah, I've been spraying myself with bug spray, but that day I forgot to do my legs and my feet because I was wearing pants. And I was like, they're not gonna get me, it's fine. I never really got bit on my foot before. I usually get bit like up here. So I only sprayed like the top part of my body, not the bottom. So they got my thighs and they got my foot. So So no, spray yourself all the way down with bug spray, not just the top part, which is probably obvious, but I forgot.
Yeah, we're out having a drink.
Hey, yo.
Is that drink
It's
fucking
real.
real? Is that snake real? Sorry, I can't talk. That snake though. Is that a real fucking snake?
It's real. I'm gonna get a picture.
In the airport, trying to get back home. My flight got delayed. It was supposed to be at 2 p.m., but it got pushed to 5 p.m., which means I'm gonna miss my connecting flight. So yeah, I was on the phone all morning trying to get a flight from Florida to Seattle, because that's where my flights connect. But yeah, they said there's no flights today, and that I will most likely have to fly from Florida tomorrow. So that sucks. I was trying to go home today. They told me I have to stay an extra day. Most likely in Florida. So yeah. But I'm going to try and talk to the front desk, I think, when I get to Florida, and see if they have anything different to say. I'm also hoping it got pushed to 5 p.m. and then it looks like it just changed to like 4:20 p.m. So maybe we'll get there earlier than we thought, and I can try and run to the other flight that I had. But I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get on that other flight because I already had them change it to make sure I can get home. But I don't know. What a mess. What a mess. Trying to get home. I've been at this airport since 11, and my flight doesn't leave till probably 4:20 p.m. I think it's like 2 something right now. It's like 2 something p.m. Yeah, wish me luck, guys. I might be hanging out in Florida for a day. Hey you guys, so I got to my hotel safely in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I took a shuttle, and the airport, or the airline, gave me a hotel voucher, so I didn't have to pay for it. And then I should be leaving in the morning to catch my flight at noon, at like 12:30. So I'm happy. I have to fly out of here to New York, and then from New York to Seattle, and I should be getting home like at 7 p.m. So hopefully that all goes smoothly and no other flights get delayed. I got some Wendy's. I had it delivered by Uber Eats. Anyways, we're in the hotel. Moral of the story, don't fly with JetBlue. don't do it. Don't do it, because my brother's flight, his flight got delayed on the way to Puerto Rico, and he was supposed to get to Puerto Rico when I did at like 1 or whatever, like everybody else. We ended up not getting to Puerto Rico until like late at night because his flight got delayed and he missed his connecting flight. And then the same thing happened with me coming from Puerto Rico. Well, but a little bit more extreme. My flight was originally at 2 p.m. and then it got pushed to 5 p.m. which made it so that I couldn't make my connecting flight, like at all. So yeah, that's why I'm stuck here in Florida for the day. And I had to call the JetBlue number like 3 times and wait like 40 to 50 minutes each time to speak to someone, because the first lady said like, oh, there's nothing, you're just gonna have to stay here for like 2 more days. And I was like, 2 days? She was like, yeah, there's nothing until the 30th. And I was like, what the hell? I was like, I can't stay here that long. And I was basically having to walk her through her job. I was like, did you check to see if there was any like flights open from New York to Seattle, or from Puerto Rico to New York, or from Florida to Seattle? Like, she was like, oh no, I didn't check that, let me check that. She was like, nope, nothing. Oh, let me check that. Nope. Like, I felt like she wasn't looking. Like, I was having to tell her how to look for more flights. So once we got the phone, I called again, hoping that I'd get another person. And I did, and I got this guy who was super helpful. Like, I felt like he was actually like trying really hard to find something, but he couldn't find anything. I also tried searching flights. I couldn't find anything for the day of. So yeah, and then he had to transfer me to this other lady that I guess looks at other like partner airlines to see what they have. So she was like looking at American Airlines and stuff, and they also didn't have anything open. So it's a mess. It was a mess. And I'm just happy to be in the hotel. I've never had this happen before, but I feel like now when I travel, I'll be prepared for anything, and like feel like I'll know how to handle, you know, if this happens again in the future. So it's a good learning experience. So that's good. Doing these kind of things, you know, makes you feel more independent and like confident going into, you know, situations in the future. So that's the good part about it. Also, it's kind of nice to have a hotel to myself after being with such a big group in the Airbnb. It's kind of peaceful, so I'm probably just gonna eat and watch some YouTube videos and knock out. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me through this trip. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.
You are so lovely.